One common thing that we see athletes for in our office is concussions. And what happens with a concussion is we have our brain sitting up top here in our skull, and we have some aggressive motion that either throws the head forward, throws it back, and that brain, which is sitting in fluid, rams into the side of our skull, and it causes injury to the brain there. The brain, as I said, is floating in a fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, and that same fluid that the brain is bathing in is actually going to go down through the spinal cord all the way down to the sacrum. And so one of the reasons chiropractic care is so beneficial for concussions is what also happens is with that aggressive motion of the head, it's common for us to develop subluxations up in the neck, where those joints, especially up top at C1, C2, they stop functioning right, and because of that, they can block and impede that flow of cerebrospinal fluid, where it then can get backed up in the skull, and that puts more pressure on the brain, and that's where we can start to see some of those post-concussive symptoms like headaches, brain fog, and that's because as the brain is sitting up here trying to heal, it's got excess pressure on it from that backup of cerebrospinal fluid. So making sure the joints up top in the neck are functioning properly allows that cerebrospinal fluid to drain and move throughout the spine as it's intended to, and that gives relief of those symptoms to patients after they have a concussion.